Hi guys, how do you feel today? I feel very good today. Now on this video, I will show you how to pronounce vowel sounds. Let's begin. The first one is E. E is a long vowel sound. Make the mouth wide like a smile. The tongue touches the side of the word. So this is pronounced E. E. Let's see some words. Speak, speak. See, see. Let's see some sentences. Can you see the sea? Can you see the sea? Speak English is a piece of cake. Speak English is a piece of cake. The second one is E. E is a short vowel sound. Make the mouth a bit less wide than for E. The tongue is a bit further back in the mouth than for E. It's pronounced E. 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 Let's see some words. Him, him. Fish, fish. Bring chicken for dinner. Bring chicken for dinner. Jim is in the picture. Jim is in the picture. The third one is ooh. Ooh is a long vowel sound. Make a lip into a circle. Put the tongue up and back. It's pronounced ooh. Ooh. True. True. Foot. Foot. Are you doing anything on Tuesday? Are you doing anything on Tuesday? You must chew your foot. You must chew your foot. The first one is ooh. Ooh. Your short vowel sound. Make the mouth, make your lip a little rounded. Your tongue is not so far back as for ooh. It's not ooh. Ooh. Let's see some examples. Put, put, work, work. My bag's full, my bag's full. It should be good girl. It should be good girl. The fifth one is A. A is a short vowel sound. Open the mouth wide. It's pronounced A. A. Check, check. Head, head. Send his friend a letter. Send his friend a letter. But never gets upset. But never gets upset. The sixth one is A. A is a short vowel sound. Open the mouth wider than for A. It's pronounced A. A. Let's see some examples. Cat, cat. Bag, bag. My bag's full. My bag's full. My cat is too big. My cat is too big. The seventh one is A. Is a short vowel sound. Open the mouth very slightly and simply. The lips and tongue are relaxed. It's pronounced A. Go, go. Open, open. I suppose it's possible. I suppose it's possible. My cousin will arrive at 7. My cousin will arrive at 7. The last one is O. O. O is a short, long vowel sound. The mouth and tongue should be relaxed. It's pronounced Bird, bird. Turn, turn. The girl saw the girl circus foot. The girl saw the girl circus foot. I work about 8 hours a day. I work about 8 hours a day. Okay, that's all my homework on this lesson. And thank you for listening. Goodbye, see you again.